Yeah, I'm going to talk 006. Okay.
Hey everyone. In January 2023, Yeti Airlines Flight 691, traveling from Kathmandu to Pokhara, crashed, taking the lives of all 72 on board. And now the cockpit voice recording has become available. In this video, I'll sync the voice recording with the actual flight track so that you can follow the conversation moment by moment as the tragedy unfolded. The track of the aircraft was carefully recreated from video footage, which was recorded by a passenger in the rear seat and live streamed, and also from a cameraman on the ground, Diwas Bohora, who happened to be filming from his balcony, provided me with a high-resolution footage, which was very helpful in the recreation. This accident is an illustration of how rapidly things can go wrong in the cockpit. The accident report found this was pilot error, and this voice recording gives you insight into how fear and terror gives tunnel vision and the inability to assess calmly and logically fault find. In this case, the pilots just needed to move the propellers from feather to normal. In a car, this is equivalent to going from neutral to drive.
Okay, अब intentional
अब म्यानुअल लिने हो सर
हैन पर्दैन एकछिन ठिकै छ यो सिधा खोइन्जेल पर्दैन त्यसपछि क्लास 30 लिएपछि अनि म्यानुअल क्लास अब यहाँबाट चाहिँ म्यानुअल
ओके स्ट्यान्ड
अनि क्लास रिभर 150
ओके क्लास 30
क्लास 30 चढ्दै जाऊ है
Here is the pivotal error. At 1 minute to go, the pilot flying asked the pilot monitoring to move the flaps to 30. The levers are side by side. He feathered the props in error, and the rest of the flight proceeded with zero thrust. Typically, feathering happens when engine power is lost and the propeller is set to a configuration where it provides least drag to the aircraft.
Okay, class 30.
Flaps 30, चढ्दै जाऊ है चढ्दै जाऊ तल पनि जाऊ अनि okay, people landing here.
Down 3 B.
Flaps
30. Take off.
TLU.
Low speed.
ICA.
Check.
External lights.
On.
Complete.
Yeah.
Hello?
Elect for the ride.
5.
Check. Continue to ride.
Continue to. अब यो नयाँ एयरपोर्ट पछि अलि तलै
जानु पर्यो
हैन तल हैन यो त यतिकै ठिक छ पार हाल है
691
पारै आएन
wind
पारै आएन
4 knots runway 12
अगाडि हाल्नु पर्यो
आएन सर ए तर्कै आएन के सर
ओके यता जाऊ त
ओके यो ल्यान्डिङ है सर तर्कै आएन के सर यहाँ आउनु पर्यो नि त 006 के सर ओके
के भयो
This is a dreadful accident. This is why simulator flying is so vital for aircraft safety, where pilots can learn the muscle memory to calmly assess the correct procedures when everything is going wrong. You can see a complete explanation of how the flight unfolded on my channel. When I was young, I witnessed 2 fatal accidents happening close by, and I understand the trauma. My heart really goes out to those involved in this horrible tragedy. And I don't want to end on such a sad note. So if you would like a positive, upbeat flying story, go and watch these videos of my son and I spending the past months succeeding in building the world's fastest drone, in the process receiving the Guinness record.